County Sheriff Michael Bouchard says Dr. OumairAejaz is accused of recording children as young as 2 and women in hospital rooms, changing areas, in closets and bedrooms. And Bouchard says this is just the tip of the iceberg.
This individual potentially is one of the worst I've ever seen.
Oakland County Sheriff Michael Bouchard and County Prosecutor Karen McDonald detailing a disturbing case. Dr. OumairAejaz was arrested on August 8th. He is accused of filming naked women and children, also sexually assaulting a woman.
A woman is basically unconscious in a hospital bed, and he's violating her.
These allegations stemmed from a mom bringing her young children to a swim school and taking them into a changing room and getting them changed.
Law enforcement was tipped off earlier this month from the suspect's wife. They found thousands and thousands of videos and pictures, evidence that sheriff's deputies are still going through.
And disturbing on so many levels that it's hard to look at the videos.
Bouchard says Aejaz has medical privileges at Ascension Genesis in Grand Blanc. An Ascension Hospital spokesperson tells me they are aware of the serious and concerning allegations, and they have removed the physician's access to the facilities.
The hospitals and the swim location are victims in this as well. There is no information at all that they had any idea any of this behavior was going on.
Prosecutor McDonald says they have filed 10 charges relating to an incident where Aejaz is accused of taking video of naked children and a woman at the Goldfish Swim School in Rochester.
This particularly hit home to me as just being a mom.
There's nobody that's out of bounds for this sick activity.
Sheriff Bouchard says the scope of this criminal activity is really unknown at this point. They have a lot of investigating still to do with how many cell phones, hard drives, and computers they've taken.
It goes beyond just capturing video. There's physical, assaultive, criminal
psychological
conduct.
impact on a case like this could be devastating for the victims and their parents tonight. We spoke with a clinical psychologist about the possibility and the impact that this case could have on a patient.
I'm just imagining the possibly hundreds of patients of his that are seeing this story and what they're feeling now: shock, possibly some shame. We know it's very traumatizing. It's a huge betrayal of trust. Our medical professionals, we go to them in our most vulnerable states, and we expect that there's going to be some level of trust there and ethics that we don't even have to fathom something like this happening.
Bouchard saying he can't even guess how many victims are in this case. The sheriff's office has sent up an email for anyone to come forward if they believe they were a victim.